Welcome back to the next chapter of our hip-proof gazebo construction journey. In this part, we tackle the monumental task of pouring concrete to create the solid foundation for our structure. It is not like we are doing this without any prior knowledge. We have some basic experience with concrete projects to begin with. Still, this is the first time we are doing a little bigger one. We embarked on this phase armed with 180-pound concrete bags necessary to cover the 10 by 12 frames of our gazebo. Beginning our endeavor around 5:30 a.m. early morning, we worked tirelessly until approximately 3 p.m. on the same day to complete the concrete pour. Our concrete mixing machine that we used could only handle 2 bags at a time. Also, we had to manually monitor and adjust the mixing when it is struck. We were very exhausted at the end of this difficult project. It was only 2 people doing this hard work. If we had additional people, it would have been a much simpler task to accomplish. Despite facing exhaustion from the hot sun, labor, and weather, fueled by our basic experience in concrete projects, we persevered and successfully completed the pouring of the concrete. The following day, we began the process of cooling down the concrete base with water, ensuring proper curing and setting for our gazebo foundation. And with that, we finished pouring the concrete for our found gazebo. Our gazebo project takes another step towards being reality. Join us in the next part as we continue to bring our vision to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along in our construction journey.